there are some basic jungle survival items that I take out with me in the field every day here at the Guariba Lodge. So here we have a paracord bracelet. It has a whistle, it has a compass, and if you take this out here, it's a fire starter. So you use this to scrape against this rod here, and it actually creates a spark, and you can make a fire. Plus the paracord is useful for many other things. A small little field first aid kit, really to take care of like abrasions that I'm getting all over, cuts, mosquito bites. My hands are all chewed up from fishing. Always have a small little pocket flashlight in case we wind up being actually stuck out after dark, and also a my life straw that while the water at the lodge is filtered and we have bottled water, it's always good to, and this has been filtered through this system, it's always good to have a your own source of filtered water, such as a life straw or water tablets, which I also include in my little field kit here. So this all fits in my fishing bag. You know, every night we come back here, I have more of a first aid kit. Obviously I have my buck knife and my multi-tool, but these are the basic first aid and survival tools one needs. So in addition to the little first aid kit, water purification, and paracord bracelet, the rest of the jungle survival kit, it's part of my fishing kit. Buck knife for a hunting knife. Obviously having a very strong stainless steel pocket knife is critical importance if you're out. A Leatherman multi-tool, pliers, wire cutter, has its own blade, has screwdriver, other stuff, and of course the Garmin InReach Mini 2 navigator and communicator. So I have this lodge here pegged on the map as a waypoint, and if anything ever really happens, we have the SOS button that's right underneath here. If you hold that down for 3 or 4 seconds, it does send out an SOS signal, and they would text back to find out what your situation or emergency is. So these items are on my person, my belt clip. I have a holster on the belt. This is clipped to the belt, and this is clipped to the belt as well through the carabiner. So these items plus the other things I just went through are with me in my fishing kit and on me the entire time when we're out on the rivers or whacking our way through the bush here. All right, so those are some of the basic jungle protocol safety items that one needs. All right, folks, we're gonna hit the river in about a half an hour because it's pretty friggin' hot out right now. This is why we're back here after having our riverside lunch at the lodge today.